Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to fix Bambu Lab A1 not sticking to bed, first layer adhesion and bed leveling fix. Fix 1. Deep clean the build plate. Remove the build plate from the printer, wash it thoroughly with hot water and a grease cutting dish soap such as Dawn. Scrub the surface using a soft nylon brush or non-scratch scrub pad. Then rinse the plate with hot water to remove all soap residue. Dry it completely with clean, lint-free microfiber cloth or paper towel. Avoid touching the print surface with your fingers after cleaning to prevent transferring skin oils. Fix 2. Verify your Bamboo Studio settings. Select the correct build plate in Bamboo Studio, for example, textured PEI plate, if that's what you are using. And make sure the correct filament profile is selected. For PLA, set the first layer bed temperature to approximately 60 to 65 degrees Celsius if needed for better adhesion. Reduce the first layer print speed to 25 to 30 mm/s so the filament has more time to bond to the plate. Disable or significantly reduce the part cooling fan for the first three layers to prevent the filament from cooling too quickly. Fix 3. Check for mechanical issues. Gently check the nozzle for movement. If it wiggles, tighten the hot end mounting screws. Inspect and tighten the 7 screws securing the heated bed to the printer frame if they have loosened over time. Now remove any melted plastic or debris from the nozzle tip before printing. After tightening any components, run auto bed leveling again to ensure accurate nozzle height. Fix 4. Dry your filament. Place the filament in a dedicated filament dryer and dry PLA at 50 to 55 degrees Celsius for 6 to 12 hours before printing. Store filament in an airtight container with desiccant after drying to keep it moisture free. Fix 5. Use adhesion aids if needed. Enable a brim in Bamboo Studio about 5 mm outer brim to increase the contact area with the build plate. Apply a thin, even layer of 3D printer glue or a purple glue stick to the print area if necessary. These methods are especially useful for tall, narrow, or small footprint models that are more likely to detach during printing. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.